Hey, we all know how important it is to have smoke alarms installed in our home. One overlooked item is carbon monoxide detectors. They can be built in together as a combo unit that do smoke and carbon monoxide, or they could be separate units. They could be mounted up in the ceiling. They could also be plugged into a wall. Most smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors will also have battery backup. You'll want to make sure that you replace those batteries every time you change your clocks. Please keep in mind, they do have a shelf life of 7 years. Make sure that you have new ones installed in every home.